front. He's got him. He's been short. How much are you short now?
$4.36, I will maybe $6.
Right.
Okay. And he started watching video, and he has it. We found a couple so far where you can visibly see him putting the money in his pocket.
Okay.
Let's just do.
Are you guys wanting to pursue criminal charges?
Yes.
Okay.
12 15 Central. Can you show me coming on scene?
And then he's going to pocket that part.
Okay.
And then there's another incident. We're still looking for it.
As of right now, there's just the two. This one and this one,
He
correct?
has these two, but I didn't realize they were 10 minutes off from that video, from this video. But for right now, those are the two right now that I know of.
This is better view on this one than on that one.
Gotcha.
So
yeah, this one's super clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So can we go back and try to see how...
That
is
was
that supposed to be
10.
10? Okay.
I'm looking for again.
Like 2 5s, you think?
Yeah.
Okay, because it looked like... Alright.
It was either 2 5s or 2 50s.
Okay.
That's the problem.
Okay. Alright.
Because they both kind of go like...
And for the 4-6, did that happen? Was that similar? He was putting money in the safe,
Yeah,
and then
it's always when he's at the safe.
Okay.
He'll sit down. I guess he doesn't know the camera's right there.
Okay. So 2 times that they know of. One was either $10 or it was 2 50s. So it was either 2 5s or 2 50s, and then another time was $60. One was on the 9th, and then one was on the 6th.
Okay.
They do want to pursue criminal charges. I'm about to have them fill out an affidavit and try to get this video downloaded.
Okay.
And it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Perfect.
Hey, boss. Come here for a second. Hey! Come here for a second.
My dad was in the car accident.
You're not leaving right now. You're not free to go. Come on out here. Come on out here. You don't get weapons, firearms, anything like that on you?
No.
Okay, come on over here and talk to me. You can't leave till after you talk to me. You're not free to go. You understand that? Okay. Come right back over here. It's your dad. What happened?
He was in the car accident.
Okay.
On the way to work.
Okay.
In Jacksonville.
All right. You know why I'm out here?
Nah, I have a feeling though.
Okay. You don't have any firearms, weapons on you?
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay. Just put your hands kind of over there. I'm just going to put your backpack over to the side, all right? Let's set this down. Just relax your arms. Relax, man. I just got to talk to you, okay? Let me read you something first, okay? And then if you want to be honest with me, I'll work with you. Just give me some space. I don't like
I'll be real honest. I already know right here.
All right, but let me read you something, okay? Does not mean you're going to jail or anything like that. I just have to advise you of some rights. But I appreciate honesty. You know, that's always the best course of action. So, before we ask any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have a right to talk to a lawyer for advice before you ask any questions and to have them with you during questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before answering any questions if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now, the lawyer present, you still have the right to stop. Answer at any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. You understand what I read you?
Yeah.
Okay, with that being said, are you willing to talk to me about this? What's going on here?
I've been telling everybody out here.
Can you say yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you think I'm here?
Because I have took some money.
Okay, that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
Like I said, doesn't mean we're going to take you to jail, but do you know how much you took?
I honestly don't, but I can tell you the reason I took it. And
Why?
I was great. But I cannot go to jail. I promise.
Well, I didn't say you would.
Yeah,
right now what I see, it may or may not rise to that. It may just be a court date, but I don't know.
Okay, so I took some money, right?
Okay.
I am currently in college.
Sure.
Doing cooking.
I know that.
My dad is single.
Okay.
And he has to pay for college for all of it, so he's kind of struggling.
I got you.
So I owe some. In order for me to continue to go to college,
You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
I'm just going to give it this officer so we can put you in the call. So, was it like to continue your education?
yes, that's why I took it. I probably took no less than, I don't know, probably under 1,000, I think.
Right.
So I can pay it back however, but I can't. I'm this close to finishing school.
Okay. Well, we'll figure it out. We'll see what's going on. I'm going to see what the store wants to do and everything. I do have you on video taking some of it.
Yeah,
I don't know the whole amount. Two different days that I've seen so far. Just keep your hand out of your pocket.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I know you don't have these things and stuff like that. I appreciate you being honest with me.
Yeah, man. What I did was stupid, and I take full responsibility.
Hey, mistakes happen.
I just
Yeah.
I was doing dumb, and I needed to finish.
Okay.
I just think they were gonna kick me out,
Okay.
I'm just supposed to finish the school.
What are you taking in school?
Computer information technology.
Okay. That's a good field to be in.
Yeah.
Well, hang tight. We'll figure out what's going on. Like I said, you're just being detained for now. You're not under arrest. I don't know if any of that would arise to anything that would need that. Sometimes what happens is you get arrested on scene, released on scene with a court date. But let me see what the store wants to do, okay? You ever been arrested before? Okay.
No trouble or nothing like that.
Is your dad really in a car wreck, or are you just trying to leave because of this? It's all right. It's not going to change what I'm going to do.
Yeah, nah, he wasn't.
I didn't think so.
I was just nervous.
I don't blame you.
I should have told him when I did it, but
Hey, mistakes happen, and I'll put it to you this way: it takes a big man to admit when they're wrong.
I need the money, you know.
I gotcha. Well, bear with me. We'll see what's going on, okay? You didn't take any currencies today?
Nah.
Okay.
You're being honest, and we appreciate that. Honesty goes a long way with me.
Us.
Right? You've already admitted, right? Don't do anything stupid to make it go even worse. You know what I mean?
Like, I was just nervous. And
Don't be
I get
nervous. We're going to treat you like a man and stuff like that. I mean, I get it. Everybody's made mistakes. Do you remember how many different days that you took monies? If you took a guess, you know how many days?
probably 2 or 3.
2 or 3?
I know Sunday was a day for sure. Because I took some money.
Do you remember the amounts that you took? No? Okay.
It wasn't a lot though. Like I said, under $1,000.
Okay.
Around there.
Okay.
But I can pay them back. I'll do
We'll
it.
ask them. We'll see what they want to do.
I can't go to jail.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Okay. What's your biggest tattoo? It's like an angel?
I mean, if anything, it's my leg tattoo, bro.
Okay.
On the arm.
Well, I'll do that. Angel just goes on your left forearm.
Have you ever been arrested before? Never before?
I asked, why did you ask about my tattoo?
That's what we ask when we do police reports. We do a description to everybody. All right. Do you got any nicknames? No? About how much you weigh?
I couldn't even tell you.
Yes.
Around like 3 something.
What city and state were you born in?
Portsmouth, Virginia.
Port Smith?
It's the oldest active naval station in the fleet.
I didn't know that.
Portsmouth.
I'm very surprised he knew that. He was in the Army. That's a naval fact. Is that the plan when school's over? Do IT stuff? There's real good money in that. It's a shortage of people in information technology right now.
I want to do IT stuff.
Something else?
Then I want to be a developer.
Okay. I don't know how the developing the games works. I know the IT guys, they get paid if they're good, they get paid very well. It's just a shortage of them. Had a couple of guys that were real good maybe 5-6 years ago that worked for the city where I'm at. I think 3 or 4 times their salary past couple of years, and both of them left. Just couldn't pay them what these private places were paying them. Okay.
You gotta come with us.
For me?
You gotta come
Stand
with
up for
us.
me? Oh my gosh. Hands my back for me? Yep, he's gonna grab that.
Well,
Yep, just let him get your card. Yeah.
There's no way I can talk to him.
well.
We'll explain to you what they're saying. I'm gonna put 2 of these cuffs on you just so it doesn't hurt your arms because you're a big guy, right? Just relax. Okay.
So I disagree with them. I understand.
I like to be talked to.
Okay, none of that's biting into you, is it? Hang tight.
But that conversation will be very, very short. I can tell you what They just told me fired and trespassing the property. I don't believe they're going to be, whatever story you provide is not going to be well received. You see what I'm saying?
I would like to try though.
I'll hold on to
I'll
that.
ask if they want to. They don't have to.
He's going to go find out, and then we'll go from there. Well, that's unfortunate. If I could, I would release you on scene. But that's something that's going on there. I'm going to be real honest with you, and I'm going to work as best as I can to make the charge as low as it can be with what's going on, then explain to you about how you can get out.
I have no problem, nothing.
Well, we'll figure something out, okay?
He's requesting to speak with somebody to plead his case in hopes of not being arrested.
Oh, no.
Well, hang on. Do you care to hear it?
Sure, I don't care. He's gonna get arrested regardless, so it doesn't matter if we hear it.
Well, that's the thing. I would, if it's not going to change your opinion, there's no reason for him to talk to anybody.
Cool. We won't.
Okay. Are they double locked?
They are.
Okay. So, nothing you say is going to change their opinion. Okay. Can he give you his ID?
Yeah, I have it. I have it in my pocket.
As of right now, we're the only people who know about this.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like my dad can't find out about this. I'm like,
Well, we're not going to tell anybody. How old are you?
I am 22.
We're not going to tell him. He would have to do a lot of research to find that. You know, no one's
He's
going to
probably going to call my phone or something. Let it go to voicemail.
Oh, yeah. We want to answer any of
Also,
your stuff.
let me make sure that they're double locked.
Yeah, we'll check again.
And there's nothing. Are you wearing a belt? No. Nothing in your socks.
Take this off
Good.
and get there, too.
All right, have a seat.
Yep. Take your time getting in there. You're a bigger guy. Yep. Put the seatbelt on you just for safety. And I'm going to turn the AC right on. Yeah, I'll explain to you how you can do that. As soon as we get my meeting, we'll take this off, right? I'm going to just run him over there.
Yeah,
Need me for anything? That way I can take that stuff off of him.
Yeah.
Okay.